Toy Expo, and today we are here with Max. Hello, Max. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
And thank you for having us with you today. And please tell us what's the name of the company.
My company name is Shantou Chenghai Paite Toys Company Limited.
And what do you do? Can you introduce us to your company, please?
My company founded in 2015 years. Now we are making toys. Only make toys.
And which kind of toys do you make?
We make Play-Doh toys and building blocks toys.
And which one was the one that you first made? The
Play-Doh. Play-Doh.
And which kind of certification do you have here?
We have many certifications. For example, IN 71, 10P, and the ASTM, CPSIA, and so on.
Okay, and in which market do you usually sell?
We sell many to China, and some to Europe and USA.
Oh, you were saying to me that in China you sell in supermarket. Which supermarket you are selling?
We sell to Walmart and Pangdong Line, very famous supermarket.
So it's time to discover what are the hottest selling product that you have here. Can you show us the hot selling product?
Okay.
Let's go.
These are our hot sale products. Birthday cake, and with some small parts. Children can use the Play-Doh inside here and make different colors and different models. And some for the noodles. The children can put inside the Play-Doh and make the noodles. And this ice cream. Children put the Play-Doh inside and make the ice cream.
So you have different kind of model here.
Yes,
and
yes.
What is the minimum order quantity for this one?
Other models we have stock. The MOQ is very low. For example, 2 or 3 cartons.
Okay, and what if they want to customize? Is it possible to ODM and OEM?
Yes. Welcome to ODM and OEM.
How many? What is the MOQ in this case?
2,000 pieces for each models.
Let's talk about the newest product that you have.
This is our new product. The building blocks and the toys, 2-in-1.
Can you explain to us how it works?
The children can use these small parts making the different model. For example, 125 pieces. They can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 models.
And what is the MOQ for this one?
For this one is a new product we are making. So the MOQ may be more than 10 cartons.
Okay. What if they want to contact you? What they have to do?
This is my name card.
Thank you. So let's show the name card. There is the email and the phone number. And thank you for being with us today.
You're welcome.
Thank you.